Have you ever wondered if you can get a powerful 5G smartphone with a huge battery and smooth display without spending too much money? Well, today we're talking about the brand new Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G 2026, and this phone might surprise you. So make sure you watch until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more latest tech updates. The Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G was launched in February 2026, mainly in India. It is designed for users who want strong performance, long battery life, and modern features at an affordable price. First, let's talk about the display. It comes with a 6.7-inch HD plus screen and a 120Hz refresh rate. That means smoother scrolling, better gaming experience, and a more fluid feel when you use social media or watch videos. This phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G processor. It supports fast 5G internet and gives stable daily performance for apps, browsing, and light gaming. It comes with 4 GB or 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, which you can expand with a microSD card. And here comes the best part, the battery. It packs a massive 6,000 milliamp hours battery with 25W fast charging. This means you can easily use it all day, maybe even 2 days without worrying about charging. For cameras, you get a 50MP main camera for clear photos, plus a 2MP depth sensor. On the front, there's an 8MP selfie camera for video calls and social media. It runs on Android 16 with One UI 8, and Samsung promises long-term software updates, which is very important for security and performance. The design also feels premium, with a leather-like back and IP54 splash resistance. So if you want a budget 5G phone with a big battery, smooth display, and reliable Samsung software, the Galaxy F70e 5G is definitely worth considering. What do you think about this phone? Let me know in the comments below. And for more simple and honest tech videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.